All right, everybody. How are you? Orlando here. In this video, I'm going to show you, first of all, the fatal mistake that I did on not sticking to my rules and trading the pre-market short on the Nasdaq. And then I'm going to show you how I made that money back and made about 3 more hours shorting the S&P 500 at the open, which is the one that I should have taken because I don't trade pre-market. I only trade the session opens, if you know me already. Always stick to your rules. These leaks do add up and can sink the biggest ships. So be careful with that. All right, everybody. So here we go. This is the Nasdaq. This is the trade on which I lost 1%. I'm sorry, 1R. My R on normally is about 0.5%. So basically, I was looking at the pre-market action right here, right? And I saw price breaking with the London session lows, and the London session breaking with those Asian session lows. So pretty much a stellar short immediate market. So I was looking for shorts. I saw the liquidity being built up that break and that fair value gap right here or imbalance that I wanted to trade. So I put on a sell limit right here, just below that imbalance, that liquidity grab, of course, as I always do. And then, oh, this is a long position. Hold on, I need a short position right here. And with stop losses above that high right here, above, I'm going to show you actually about this high, right? And targets at this next order block, right? So I had about a 4.3R in my hands, and I got ticked in on a pre-market action, right? So here we go. Pre-market was where I got triggered in, and these two very bullish bars, right? This is a 3-minute chart, were right at the open, guys. These were right at the open. So I got stopped out at a loss at the open when the true liquidity grab took place right here at these highs, right? Now, I didn't take a short on the Nasdaq because the S&P 500 had a much better risk to reward ratio, and this is my S&P 500 short at the open, right? That Nasdaq short was a mistake. I shouldn't have never traded it because I don't trade pre-market, right? Everything here, I don't trade pre-market. I trade the open, and because the open gets very volatile, I hate holding on through entries or holding on holding on trades through the open, which is what happened with the Nasdaq. So I saw the S&P 500's imbalance here at the top. This liquidity grab, same thing as the Nasdaq, but this had a much better risk to reward opportunity in it at 6.35R, right? So what I did is I'm still holding these shorts. Let me show you right here. I'm holding the last portion of my shorts on the S&P 500. Hold on, let me show you here. Well, fuck it. And to the lows of the move, this is a 270 pip, where I took half of my position here at around 100 pips, and then I took the rest at the lows of the day for 230 pips, still riding a smallish part with stops at break even. Right, so what I did is I entered that market right here after this candle closed, and of course my stop loss is above the previous structure highs. Yes, some of you could have are going to tell me, why didn't you put your stop losses just above that imbalance? Well, because I like to put my stop losses above the structure high because the data shows me that this is how I'm more profitable, in the sense that I get stopped out less, right? Now, and I feel much more comfortable trading like this. Now, I took profits here at right around these levels for 1 hour, right? I'm gonna show you. Here I had about a 2.36 hour running trade. I took half of it, so I took about 1 hour of the trade. Then here I took 2 more hours because I was running with half of a position. I took 2 more hours out. I'm on 70% of my position. Remember, I was running around a 5.3 R, so taking 70% off is about a 2 hour win with 50% of the entire position, right? And right now I'm breaking even. And if I get stopped out or break even, that's fine because because this is a free trade for me now. This is a free trade for me in the sense that I already took 3 hours, right? So I'm up 2 hours for the day. And price keeps making and breaking those lows, right? I don't know if this supply zone is going to hold or not, right? But if it doesn't, then there is a ton of room for me to make a little bit extra money on these shorts. This is how I trade. If you want to trade with me, at the London Open or at the New York Open, you can subscribe to the channel and turn the notifications on so you get notified every time I go live. Or you can subscribe to my VIP group, I'm sorry, and get every single one of my trades. Until the next one, I'll see you around.